Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on leofit Cordless Power Pressure Washer Cleaner Portable. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. The 508 PSI pressure makes it more powerful than garden hoses and sprinklers. The water pressure and jet strength are multiplied to make it perfect for cleaning from your car to garden floor. 5 meters long hose for you to achieve short distance unlimited water cleaning, 10 liters of water pipes and 2 batteries for you to provide timely emergency cleaning. Either way, it really makes your life easier and more efficient. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.